Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be removing paint out of your clothes using one simple ingredient, and that is rubbing alcohol. This is supposed to take off all of the paint. I got some here and then I got some on the pants. These are my son's school uniforms, so we are gonna remove it, and I am hoping that it's gonna work because I have washed this probably 4 times and it has not come off, so I'm hoping this will be the trick to it. So to start off, I'm gonna take my rubbing alcohol and I'm gonna put it in this spray bottle, and I'm gonna spray it on there. Oh, there goes my lid. And then to rub it off, we're going to be using just a toothbrush. Okay, so I am gonna grab something to put under here just in case the paint does seep through. I don't want it to go in the other areas and then I'm gonna have a big old mess to clean. So I'm gonna put something under to trap the rubbing alcohol when I spray it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this under it. This is totally optional, you guys. You don't have to do it. So we're gonna go ahead and spray it pretty generously. Then we're gonna go in with our toothbrush and we're just gonna brush and see. So this is how it's looking. The brush is kind of pulling on the sweater a little bit. So I'm going to spray that again and then I'm going to let it sit for a while. Then I'm going to spray the pants as well. Okay, so I just started using this sponge and the sponge seems to be removing it better than the toothbrush. So yeah, as you can see, it's removing it pretty good. Wow, you guys, this is crazy. It's about 90% gone. There's just that little spot right there. So I'm going to spray it one more time. And then while I wait for that, I'm going to go in here with my sponge and try on the sweater. It's coming off, see? So, the sponge definitely works better than the toothbrush. Look at that. It's gone, you guys. This is crazy. So it only has like tiny bit in there, as you can see, like right here. It's got a little bit in there, but it's definitely much better than how it was before. So I'm gonna spray it again. I think it's a process that will definitely take some time, but it works. So that's the best part about it. I'm gonna come back to the pants. I let it sit for a bit, like what, a minute maybe? Not even. There you go. There's just, oh my gosh, it's such a tiny bit. You can barely see it. It's just right there. That's only because I'm zooming in, but if you're looking at it with just a naked eye, you can't really see it. So this is amazing. There you go. Look at that. Once you're done scrubbing it off, you're just gonna throw it in your machine and you're gonna wash the clothes just as normal.